Besides being an artist, I'm also a banker. And the job life sometimes gets monotonous, and the only time I'm able to connect with myself is through art. So today I'm going to be unboxing Camlin and Camel products. Camlin, which is all things stationery, and Camel is all things art. They've come out with a new look and they look gorgeous. So let's begin. Art is also a form of therapy. Whether you're creating it or observing it, it can help reduce stress and boost your mood. For me, painting gives me a chance to slow down and be in the moment. It gets me to the state of calmness and helps me focus all my energy into this one thing. I love painting apple and landscapes, basically just about anything which inspires me. Maybe next time when you're in the middle of chaos and loss, try creating anything.